Black Friday Cyber Monday is make or break time. Here's how to crush it in 58 seconds. Step 1. Your offer decides everything. Test percentages off, dollars off, tiered discounts, and bundles. Go 20% minimum because anything less will not move the needle. If your competitors are doing 40% off, you probably will have to do something similar unless you have a very, very strong USP. Start by building your early access list now with a pop-up. This creates urgency and gives you a head start on your competitors. Step 2. Fix your deliverability before you send. Most brands just blast everyone on their list and wonder why their emails end up hitting spam. Clean out anyone who hasn't engaged in the last 90 to 180 days. Then warm up your list in October with valuable content and use that time to test different offers. Your inbox placement here is going to determine your revenue. Step 3, segment everything. VIPs get early access to exclusive offers. One-time customers get win-back campaigns. Non-purchasers get different messaging. Send daily during BFCM weekend and double send on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Turn off smart sending here. You want maximum reach here. And pause any conflicting offers in your flows so that nothing competes with your sales. Get this right, and BFCM becomes your biggest revenue month ever.